Is it on? It's on.
Okay, you good? Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Okay.
Wait.
Let's
Okay,
just
go.
get out of here.
Skedaddle.
Do you want to take? You okay?
I kind of hurt, so I'm gonna take it slowly.
Okay. We could take a rest break if you like.
No, you're right. You should get.
Do you want to head down this way? We could take the back way if you like. It'll take us to the same place and won't be as crowded. We gotta go that way though.
It's uphill there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of flat.
Up to you.
Waddle, waddle. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand. So what is it? Easy Street to? I gotta look when we get down there. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
I thought you wanted to do header.
We're going to the glades though. If we take header, we can't get there.
Okay, yeah, let's go to the glades. I forgot.
Okay. Since we're sort of out of the way, let me make sure I know where we're going. I hope we can get there from here. Not really. No, that's right. Ugh. It's further over than I thought. 10 minutes. I win.
Good job.
All right, well, I messed up.
Where are we going?
In order to get to the glades, we have to take the K1, which apparently has like a 10-minute wait right now.
So we go to Snowshed and then up to.
No, but we can get directly to the K1 from Great Northern here,
But that's what, that way?
Huh?
Which way is it?
That way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When you said you messed up, I thought you said we went down the wrong place, so we had to go uphill.
No, I thought we could get there more easily. The only way we would be able to do it more easily would be to do Royal Flush, which we can't do. All right. Well, what do you guys want to do?
I want to get to the Glades.
That's a 10-minute wait for the K1.
Okay.
All right. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, it's good.
All right. In that case, Caper to Great Northern.
Okay, let's go. Go ahead. Still this way? And then turn when I see Caper? Yeah, you're not gonna turn left here. You're gonna go straight. Okay. What is taking them so long? They still have started. They're finally here. Did you start recording? No. Okay. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Should I stop?